Oh my God! What has happened to me? What? What did you do to me? What did you do to me?
Badass, you didn't see this shit, man.
Oh my God!
You need to die.
Please, please kill me!
Oh my God! Somebody needs to kill him.
That was the most disgusting creature I've ever seen in my life.
I'm still in!
That was far
Wait,
worse.
get Evan there, get Evan there. Oh shit!
Let's go, we're there.
Okay, Tyler, we're really low.
We got it. Are you ready?
Oh, God.
No!
Got you, pussies!
One more. Oh shit!
No! I'm dying.
Oh shit, I think I just jumped right into it.
I know where he's at.
There we go. A terrorizer! Come on, you gotta crouch to do it.
Don't do it.
No!
This is so slow. This is so slow.
Come on! Yeah, we're doing these.
Totally, bro. Yeah.
Everything is on fire!
How are we alive? Oh,
Everything's on fire.
oh my God.
Look at you.
He was around here, I'm pretty sure.
I have an exit strategy. You see that over there?
What?
By the thing?
Maybe he's not.
No,
here,
I have
maybe he's
no
not.
idea what you're looking at.
Fuck.
Do it again. Do what?
Do what
Go
again?
back to the
What is
ping
he
pong
doing?
table.
What is
I'm
he
at
doing?
the ping pong table. Do it again.
I did!
Do it
I
again.
did.
Do it again.
No!
Yeah.
Hey!
No, it's over! I thought we had more time!
I was using the door, opening it and closing it. You guys were just stupid. Whoa!
What?
Yeah.
Come again?
What?
Hold on.
What?
Oh my God, Evan! I found something else.
The fuck, Tyler? Did you find some secret?
Hey, what are you doing up there? No. Ah!
Down there. Get down. No.
Yeah! Yeah! I'm going in.
What is going on with the camera?
You did. Oh, nice.
Oh fuck.
How do I get your fucking helmet? Let me down. Oh, don't you dare. Son of a bitch!
Yeah! Yeah, baby!
Just seeing your jacket makes it so much better.
Oh, the fucking
This
ice.
is gonna be another easy victory for me, boy.
Are you
right.
serious?
Turbo Man does it again.
Fucking second he said. He just didn't move.
Player. He's up here. Two of them.
Wait.
Bye-bye, pussy!
Oh shit, that one didn't.
Oh! I got him! Ready? Goodbye! No!
Where'd he go?
Come get me! Come get me! Come get me! It's stuck to the tree! It's stuck to the tree, man! Come get me!
Where's it? Hey, you want me to send this fucking guy off? Fucking get the fuck out of here, bitch!
Hit him once. Good, okay. Get the fuck out of here, bitch! He just sends him out! Go get the loot, idiot! Go get the loot! Get him off when you can.
Bye bye.
Oh, no!
He just turns to shotgun me in midair.
Oh, so perfect. That was such a great game.
You fucking get. No, I'm not. I'm not saying you're ending. That's your fault.
Fuck, well, this is my ending then. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And it kind of sucks that you clicked on this video.
Kinda sucks that you clicked on this video.
Continue.
Yes! Okay, there we go.
Alright, you got it. You're good.
Careful. You almost ran my.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Nothing happened. The van doesn't quite run the way it used to.
Marcel! I swear to God!
Marcel! Yeah, baby!
Oh, that was such a close race!
Oh, eat the dick, Scotty! The red shell came in clutch!
You fucking cunt.
Come on, come on, come on, come
Oh,
on.
yes!
No! You motherfucker!
I dodged that fucking thing!
Blue shell! No! Yes!
Like I can't do anything. Hey man, nobody likes one.
Oh, you guys are assholes. What are you, boy?
And logic should have told you what I fucking was.
Bucket!
Almost got me.
One of these aren't like the other.
Delirious!
What?
You didn't do what we agreed on.
I'm the same one as you.
What the everybody? Everybody's the same fucking character. Oh man, this is a difficult.
Here.
Damn it.
There we go. You gotta bank it in there. There you go. There you go. No. Yep. What? I just defied gravity. God damn.
Scotty going
I
in
just
with
watched your
another
bulb.
5. Ah, I didn't mean. I knifed him.
Oh, way to go.
Oh no! What the heck? Ah, I did it!
Hey,
Yeah.
well done. Well done. I've never.
I did it, guys.
Holy shit! He made it!
I did it.
You fucking launched.
He's in that room, right there, on your right. So, yep, that was him.
You just got laid out.
Are you fucking kidding me? That was the luckiest fucking shit I've ever seen in my life.
Let me catch this. Let me catch a wave, baby.
Nope. I don't think it'll work, brother.
Oh no! Ah, catch me!
I can't arrest you, dude.
No, you trap me like animal.
Oh shit. I didn't know they sold this at the concession stand.
Shut the fuck up, dude! Well, hold on, what are these people doing to our van? Oh, whoa!
What's going on, dude?
The microwave started flying around. I don't know where it's at. I lost it.
Oh, they're looking at it.
Oh my god! He just snap chose it. Yes!
Too real.
Go!
Let's go.
Oh, you guys got sprayed. Come on, man.
What's your first spray ever? You don't have a pistol.
Fuck my life, dude. I hate video games. 64 and 4. Fuck you, you bitch.
You suck.
All the kills I
walks up behind somebody and misses 2 knives in the back.
I didn't miss. They were warning knives.
Boom!
Ready up. All right, let's go. I'm gonna fucking.
man can, cause he mixes it with love and master. You fucking kidding me right now? You fucking kidding me right now?
You still.
You fucking kidding me right now?
Wait, how do you?
Why do we have? We don't have any planes countering their planes. We have no planes.
Really
good. Well, I just figured out what happened to you guys.
Dude. Oh, we are getting annihilated by these fucking planes.
All right.
Screen!
Oh, whoa, whoa! Dude, somebody check that dude for grease. He's lubed up.
Oh man,
He squeaked out of there.
that's dirty.
It is dirty. It's cheating.
Cheaters. That's the correct word for that. Yes.
Absolutely amazing. Badass, what are you doing?
Go.
Hello. Oh. Woo, thank you.
I think I 78. They're all we did.
Oh, I'm nuts!
Thank you.
I'm insane. I'm sorry.
Hold on, wait. I need to think.
Close
Jump.
to the earth.
Jump.
Ah,
Think. Wow.
Wow. That's what you get for staring at the sun.
What the fuck?
I got a birdie there.
All right, boys.
I almost got a hole in one.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I got a 2. Where did he go?
They probably went all mid. They're like, wow, that's their secret now. I don't.
Oh.
I'm really proud of you. Are you proud of yourself? Are you proud of yourself?
You.
Karma. There are so many people in CT. One of them has no health at all.
Fuck you, Smitty.